Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we have another model aircraft unboxing. In here we actually have a Hogan Wings model. This is the Hogan Wings 1:1000 scale 747-8 Intercontinental in the Boeing house colors. So I have the 777-300ER from Hogan Wings in 1/1000 scale. And I actually really like the quality, so I decided to pick this one up because it looked really nice, and I love the sunset rollout livery that the 747-8 had. So we're going to go ahead and get into this. So here we go. Alright. Alright, so there we go. You can see scale 1:1000 Hogan Wings. Boeing 747-8 Intercontinental, and then on the back it says some of the specifications, and it is a Boeing officially licensed product. Let's go ahead and get into this and see what it looks like. So it comes with a stand in the bottom here, which is pretty nice. It is a plastic stand. Let's go ahead and get that out really quick. There we go. So here we go, it says 747-8, and the stand fits on like this. There we go. And now here is the plane. So, wow, this thing is tiny. But the detail is actually really nice. You can even see how good the landing gear detail is, despite this being such a small plane. Yeah, this is it in the palm of my hand. And you can definitely see how small it is. But wow, so far this is really impressive. You can definitely tell if there's the wing flex that's on the new Boeing aircraft. It's definitely more exaggerated in this model, as you can see. I don't know if that's true to how it actually is in real life, in flight or not, but nonetheless, this is still really cool. Let's see if I can try to zoom up and get some of the details of this. Alright, so there we go. Up front we have the cockpit windows, all the windows and doors, the Boeing logo, and it says 747-8 right above the landing gear. We have the front landing gear, and then the wings, which have some pretty nice details. You can see the slats and the flaps, and there's the engines, and the engines do have sort of the spike design that the 747 and 787 have. There's the main gear, which is also really nice. The bottom you see has the 747-8 titles, the Hogan logo, and the back I can't really see the registration. Let me see if I can read it here. I cannot read this to save my life. It looks like it says November 8067 Echo. I could be wrong though. And then you can also see it says Intercontinental right there, and then on the tail it says 747, and then the big 8 that goes on the fuselage and the tail. So this is a really nice model for being 1/1000 scale. I'm going to go ahead and put it on the stand here, and so there we go. I'm going to go ahead and grab out my 777-300s to compare. Okay, so here is the 777-300. This one does not have landing gear. It used to, but it broke off when it fell off the shelf. So you can see that they're pretty similar. Obviously the 747 is a little bit bigger, but this will be cool to have next to each other in the collection. These look really nice. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I will talk to you guys again in the next one. Take care guys, and I will see you later.